G'day guys, I'm Tom from Mr. Poolman. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a little bit of my professional feedback on the Water TechniX Rapid pool cleaner. Starting firstly, you've got the frame or the body of the cleaner itself. Comes as is with diaphragm included in the center of the cleaner. Foot's already attached. Take the head of the cleaner out, grab the skirt, grab the cleaner. Make sure, a common thing that we find is people always put the skirt fin down. Make sure the skirt is flat with fins towards the sky. This will affect the performance of the cleaner if you do it the wrong way. So when you get it to this point, literally it's going to be as simple as pulling the skirt up over the foot. From there, you're going to take what we call the deflector wheel. If you don't install this, what we commonly find is that the cleaners themselves get stuck in the corners of your pool. So it's a must. Literally pushes on, clips on, like so. So from here, literally, it's going to push on to the male end of the cleaner, like so. So from there, this is going to be how your cleaner first looks set up, and you're going to run your additional hose lengths back to the vacuum plate. Now, with pool cleaners or suction pool cleaners in particular, again, if you don't need all the hose lengths, don't use them. Too many hose lengths will also cause your cleaner to tangle, or it won't have enough power to get around the pool. Again, it's just extra weight that this thing needs to try and push around if it's not necessary. So always use the lengths that it's required. If it does need more, that's fine. We do have additional hose lengths as well on our website. From there, you've got your ongoing standard hose lengths. Again, female to male end. You're gonna have your female to female end of the hose on the cleaner, or otherwise, if it's not this specific model of cleaner, you're going to have your leader hose connected to the male end of the cleaner. From there, now working your way back. Now hypothetically, let's pretend that's deep in the pool. Working your way back now to how we're going to be connecting it to the flow regulator valve into the skimmer box. Now hypothetically, just for the sake of the video, we'll connect another hose length. Again, female to male, pushes in, preferably all the way home. Like such, you're going to have a nice tight snug fit, which is going to be sealed, not allowing any air into the system. From here, you've now got your female end again of the hose, which is going to be connecting onto the male end of the flow regulator valve. Guys, that's basically a suction cleaner out of the box, connected into your vacuum plate all the way through. Any questions, feel free to drop us a line or an email. We'll put the link below, and happy to help where we can.